if you want to see how I create this look, stay through the whole video to find out how. Hello beauties and welcome back to the channel. My name is Claire and welcome to my YouTube channel, which always has either beauty videos, vlogs, my friends in it, or just me messing around. So let's get started, shall we? So starting off, I'm going to be putting on primer, foundation, and that's going to be Alright, primer and foundation are on, and now it is on to concealer. Next step is bronzing up the face, which was with the Pretty Vulgar bronzer. Now it is time for me to bake the face, so this concealer right here and this bronzing will make it look more snatched. So I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar just translucent powder right here on a wet beauty blender and bake the face. While we're baking the face, let's talk about eyes. Now for eyes, I'm probably going to use, of course, I always use this palette, but I want to use a different palette. And that is my baby, the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm just going to show you, of course, you know all well how loved and used I use this palette. It is a great palette to start off with if you want to dare with color, and it has its neutrals as well. So I'm going to do a pretty subtle but also with a pop of pink with my eye look today. So that will be, I'm going to probably start off with a light base and then go from there. So let's first conceal the eyes with, of course, the Wet n Wild concealer. Concealer on my eyes, and to set that powder, my concealer, I'm going to use Tempura, this white here, from the palette as well. So those two will be Alright, concealer and Tempura are on the eyelid. They're not supposed to be perfect because it's just setting concealer and also just the setting starting eyeshadow. So then going from there, I'm gonna dip into raw sienna, which is right here, and the burnt orange, mix those two together, and that's gonna be going into the crease and onto the lid as well. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. So see you in a little bit. I did eyebrows off camera, as you can tell, and now dipping into warm taupe, which is that right there, and a little bit of that pink, which is Bon Fresco. So those two I'm gonna do next, and yeah. Warm taupe and pink are on there, and just a tiny, and I mean tiny, little bit of Copernicus right there, this dark brown, just lightly, very lightly on the outer V. So let's get that blended out. Now I'm gonna put some concealer on my lid here and kind of make like a cut crease, kind of, sort of, and yeah, and then I'm gonna use the mixture of the rose gold shimmer and the gold shimmer in this palette after I done that. So let's do that. Lids are finally finished, and now it is time for liquid eyeliner and mascara. So of course that's gonna be done, and I will get back to you guys. Eyeliner and mascara are on, and now it is time to move to the most important part of the look, which is always lips. Now, since it's pretty subtle and pretty natural looking, I'm thinking about doing a nice red. I have never done red on this channel. As you guys know, I usually keep to nudes or pinks. So I'm going to use a red today from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Pretty much that was the whole video. And this one is in American Doll. This is like the perfect Christmassy red slash getting want to feel confident. That is the finished look for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of look. If you want me to do more looks with a red lip, hit that thumbs up and comment a red heart if you want me to do more looks with red lips. I will see you guys next Friday with a brand new video. I love you all. See you guys soon.